In this video, I'll give a quick walkthrough of the Playwright Lab environment. I'll show you how to access the Lab VM, open the application under test, set up a Playwright project, run a basic test, and finally generate and view the test report. So let's get started. First, I'll be logging into talentform.ai. Here on the hamburger menu, we will navigate to the Lab section. We will start the VM through the Start button provided here. Please give 2 to 3 minutes before you access the VM through RDP. Now here we connect to the RDP. I'll open PowerShell. I'll use PowerShell throughout this walkthrough to navigate the lab folders, verify the environment, and set up Playwright. I'll check the C drive and locate the QA lab folder. The main lab folders include apps, database dumps, logs, Playwright, and tools. Here, we can see the available applications. These are the applications available for inspection and automation. To check the applications that are accessed through the VM, we'll open the browser. Common local URLs inside the VM are: if you're accessing from outside the VM, you can use the VM public IP. I can also verify the application from PowerShell using the following curl command. A 200 OK response confirms that the application is reachable. Now, I'll create my own Playwright project under the Learner folder. This folder will contain my Playwright installation and test files. Let us verify Node.js and npm before installing Playwright. As you can see, both return version numbers, so the required tools are available. Now I will initialize Playwright. Here I am going to use JavaScript. Here I am going to verify the Playwright version by using the following command. Now let us review the project files. This command lists the test files and test cases Playwright can detect. This command runs all the tests in the project. Headed mode opens the browser during execution, allowing me to visually observe Playwright. I'll create a simple smoke test to verify that the application login page loads correctly. I will now execute the smoke test in headed Chromium mode. The successful result confirms that the Playwright can open the application and perform the defined checks. Now I will generate the HTML test report. This opens the report in the browser. HTML reporter is required when I want a browser-based report. The list reporter only displays results in the terminal. The Playwright report folder contains the HTML report. These are useful for analyzing failures and collecting evidence. As you can see, the logs directory is accessible. It currently doesn't contain any files. Thank you for watching.